Welcome to a new tutorial from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to draw this Giraffe Mood Tracker. And for this is what we are going to need. First of all, of course, your bullet journal. I use the scribbles that matter. Then some pencils and the zebra matte liner. Then of course a rubber, whichever you want, micron fine liner, and the stabilo point. So now let's get started. So let's grab a pencil and start drawing the shapes you need. So I'm going to start with the head, and I draw it all in shapes. So the head is an oval. So the neck is an oval too. So I'm going to draw a very long oval. You see, I'm already trying to get the shape in place, but you don't have to. You just can draw your ovals here, like the one I draw here now for the stomach, and we are going to add the details in just a bit. So you already see me adding some details to the snout, so I'm going to make things easier for me, and here is now I'm drawing the ears here and whatever I need for my giraffe, and then we go on with some more details actually, and you see me having the lines a little bit thicker, so I can still correct everything now, and don't be afraid to do that. Don't be afraid to rub things off. You can always correct and make it look better. Yeah, just keep going and try to make it as reasonable as you can. So don't be afraid to draw. There is, nobody is perfect when you just start drawing, and me not either. So I just keep drawing and correcting and drawing and correcting, and then I use my stabilo pen a little later to fix these lines. So for the title and for the legend, I'm using a coin. So you see me connecting these circles here, and I write under it tracker, and into the circles there comes the word mood, and then we are going to add the tracker, the actual legend here. The tracker is on the left, sure, but now here I need to make sure that I have colors set for whatever mood I'm in. So once I'm happy with the giraffe, I grab my stabilo pen and go over the lines. I like the look of that because I like when it's hand drawn to have these thick lines and not too small ones. That's why I'm using the stabilo pen instead of the micron fine liner, but that is of course totally up to you, just whatever look you prefer. So you see that's a pretty easy task. You just go over the lines, and then you see your giraffe coming together. So I'm drawing the legend now, be careful when you do that. You see me smearing here a little bit, so be careful and just clean your set square. And then I'm going to get rid of all the additional lines I don't need anymore. So I have decided for the lines I want, and the rest is going to go with a rubber. So I'm just rubbing everything off I don't need anymore. So now you see me grabbing the pencil once again, because I want to get all the dark spots into the giraffe, but I don't want to mess it up here on the last meters, and that's why I'm drawing with a pencil once again. Yay, it's looking like a giraffe now. So I grabbed the micron fine liner and adding all the days of the month, and that is how I'm going to color the giraffe. So better would be to use 3 different dark brown tones, so from bright brown to a dark brown. So most probably your giraffe will look better, but actually I just have one, so that's why I'm going to use that. But my giraffe might look funny depending on the mood I have over that month, but of course it's totally up to you. That was the beauty of bullet journaling. You can basically do whatever you want and everything is totally correct and fine. So basically that's it from me for today. I really hope you liked this tutorial. I really like how this mood tracker turned out. It's completely different than usual, but why not? So if you like it, please leave me a thumb up and maybe subscribe to our channel and click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. And then I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, bye!